Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll learn about if statements in Python. So as you can see on the screen, here is the syntax of if statement. So we first write if, then whatever expression we have to test, we'll write here. After that our block of code, and then we can see elif symbol here. This stands for else if. If this is not true, we want the interpreter to execute this line of code. If this expression is true, then it will move to this statements, and even if all these two statements are not true, then it will move to else statement. So now we'll see a sample program to understand it better. So here I have written a code. First I am taking an integer as an input. So what does this input do? It will act as a prompt on the screen. It will ask us to enter an integer, and when we enter the integer, here is our if expression. Here if we have entered a negative number, then this statement will be printed on the screen. If x equals 0, then the number is 0 will be printed. And similarly, if none of these two statements are satisfied, then the number is positive. This thing will be printed on the screen. So let's go ahead and run the module. Suppose we are entering -2. So here we can see that the number entered is negative integer. We again go ahead and run this, and suppose we are entering 0. It's showing the number is 0. Once again, if you are entering a positive number 36, it will show the number is positive. So it's basically it checks different expressions, and if those expressions are true, then the block of statements are executed. The difference with while is that while is kind of loop. So again and again in while, after the block of code is executed, when the while statement is true, it again checks for the expression in the while loop, but here it will check only once. That's all guys. I hope that you are coding all the programs which I have just coded, and the programs which you can see from different books. You can pick up a book and just try to code programs more often so that you get a hang of all the things that I'm teaching you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.